What's up?
Sorry.
Oh, the drag. My drag, my drag. Stay on. Yes, he's staying on.
Not top water?
Nah.
Oh, 13.
Nah, gambler's ribbon tail. It's probably like 1.5.
Why don't you just pull them up?
Because I gotta be cool for the subscribers. Nice bass right there. First fish of the day. We've been fishing for like 2 hours and I've been fishing buzzbaits and frogs, but you're not wanting it. But he wanted that little gambler ribbon tail. Nice little 1.5 pound chunk. Oh! Yeah. Darn.
Slammed it really,
Yeah.
You're right about that frog.
Darn. Got him.
Really?
Yeah. Oh! No. Oh.
That's awesome, dog. There, get out of the camera.
He's not gonna hit again. No chance. Going! Yes! Yeah! Come on, stay pinned, stay pinned. Yes! Oh! Finally! Finally got a freaking frogfish, guys. Oh, he choked it too. Oh, sorta. Probably hard to see, but choked the frog. I got 4 blow-ups and finally freaking got one
Bigger
in.
now. Oh, it's good.
The buzzbait would be good too.
Yeah.
Are you gonna land him?
Oh yeah, that's a decent one. That's a 2-pounder. Nice fish. Here, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but I'm gonna have Noah hold a flashlight for me. Here, hold it up like behind the camera. Alright guys, just caught this nice 2-pounder. It just got dark and the frog bite is freaking on. Look, nice bass. He freaking choked that little frog right there. Just a little spro frog, just casting right up at this current on these rocks right here, and the frog bite's on, so I'm pumped. Barely hooked him too, but nice little bass. And here's the release of this little guy. Gotta love that nighttime frog bite. There he goes.